Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get A2P verified on Twilio, so you can send high-volume SMS messages through your Twilio number, whether it's for marketing, alerts, or customer communication, without getting blocked or flagged. First off, what is A2P verification? It stands for Application to Person Messaging, and it's required by Twilio and mobile carriers if you're sending a large volume of messages from your number. To start, log into your Twilio console and go to the Phone Numbers section. Make sure you already have a number that supports SMS. Next, click on Messaging. A2P verification in the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll see options to either apply as an individual or a business. Here's a pro tip. Be ready with your business details, use case, and message templates. You'll need to explain why you're sending messages and who your recipients are. Now, fill out the A2P registration form. Include your company info, expected message volume, and upload supporting documents like a business license or website proof if needed. Don't forget to verify your number ownership and confirm your identity. Twilio may ask for a government ID or business documents. Once submitted, wait for approval. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days, but sometimes longer depending on your use case. So should you feel stuck sending too many messages through Twilio? Not anymore. With A2P verification done, you'll enjoy better delivery and higher throughput. Let me know in the comments if you've gone through the A2P verification process and how it worked for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.